know that in order for the Rogue to be able to become Zethan independent, we're going to have to steal some of the Empire's drilling towers. Once we've done that, half our mission will be complete.
Angelus Captain, Viron clan Huxdoom being used for slave labor in drilling industry and Krieg. Their Vikan, Kahumir, is old friend. If freed, we gain another ally and more source for melding.
I've had a look around, boss. I'm guessing the Imps got most of their forces on this planet stationed in this area. I think the Viron prisoners are being housed up on the eastern hill.
As you command. As you command. Orders confirmed. Vector achieved. Entering atmosphere. Yes, Commander. As you command. We will do. Unloading cargo. Dropship awaiting orders. Acknowledged. Gradin. Swamp crabs. Deadly, but taste good. Bad news. Enemy sighted. Acknowledged. Yes, Commander. Yes, Commander. Heading back to base. Yes. 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 We will do. Yes. With honor. Yes. Yes. We head for battle. Yes, with honor. Yes. Reinforcements deployed. Dropship reporting. Acknowledged. Assaulting. Incoming enemies. Yes. Acknowledged. Returning to plan ship. Bad news. Enemy sighted. Yes. Yes. With honor. Yes. ship at base. Yes. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. We are under attack. Assaulting. As you command. Look, enemies. Yes. 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 Baksa. Assaulting. Their weapons hurt. We're dead. Yes, with honor. Enemy unit destroyed. Raksa. Look, enemies. Affirmative. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. We will do. We will do. Orders confirmed. Orders received. Baksa. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Enemies approaching. As you command. Their weapons hurt. Baksa. Yes. Angelus, Captain. Touchdown Vicat not. Look, enemies. Caught in crossfire.
You got it, sir.
Vector achieved. Entering atmosphere. Yes. Yes. Orders received. Assaulting. Yes.
Unloading cargo.
Assaulting. Baksa.
Consider it done.
Their weapons hurt. Glorious victory awaits.
In heavy firefight, we're dead.
Orders received. Orders confirmed.
Boss, I'm in trouble.
To recapture prison. See you. Evacuated.
Right, sir.
Protect them.
Sergeant, stay the hell away from those Terrans. You're on a rescue mission, not an assault squad.
Yes. More enemies.
I could use a hand over here. Damn imps are taking pot shots at me.
Yes.
Right, sir.
More enemies. Glorious victory awaits. Enemy unit destroyed. In heavy firefight. Look, enemies. Orders confirmed. Baksa. We're dead. Glorious victory awaits. Baksa. Yes. Assaulting. We will do. Yes. Yes. With honor. Orders received. Affirmative. Assaulting. Yes. Yes. More enemies. Assaulting. Assaulting. Yes. With honor. Yes. With honor. We destroy good. Look,
Enemies. Yes, with honor. We're dead. Caught in crossfire.
Vector achieved. Entering atmosphere.
Orders confirmed. Yes. Affirmative.
Reinforcements deployed.
Dropship reporting. Consider it done. We're under heavy fire. Acknowledged. Yes, Commander. Orders confirmed. More enemies. Stay low. Their weapons hurt. Enemies approaching. Assaulting. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Their weapons hurt. Glorious victory awaits. Their weapons hurt. Orders confirmed. Yes. Yes. Orders confirmed. Yes. Yes. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. More enemies.
We head for battle.
We're dead. Yes. In heavy firefight. Assaulting. Yes, he's dead. Yes.
Package is delivered.
In heavy firefight. Dropship ready. One less enemy. Yes. Orders confirmed. Orders received. In heavy firefight. As you command. In heavy firefight. Enemies approaching. Assaulting. Yes.
The drilling complex is secure.
Yes.
Excellent, Andalus, Captain. I will arrange our transport onto clan ship.
Orders confirmed.
Dropship at base. We head for battle.
New targets. We're under attack. We're under attack.
ship ready. Consider it done. As you command. Yes. Orders confirmed. Orders received. Affirmative. Orders received. More enemies. We destroy good. Assaulting. We destroy good. No enemies. We destroy good. Assaulting. Yes. Yes. Look, enemies. Caught in crossfire. Affirmative. Affirmative. Yes. More enemies. In heavy firefight. Orders received. Orders received. Orders received. Orders received. Caught in crossfire. More enemies. Yes. Affirmative. Yes. Enemies approaching. Their weapons hurt. Their weapons hurt. Caught in crossfire. Vaxa. Yes. Their weapons hurt. We're dead. Orders confirmed. Look, enemies. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Orders received. Orders received. Yes. No enemies. Yes, he's dead. Yes. No enemies. Yes. Assaulting. Assault. Their weapons hurt. We are under attack. Assaulting. Affirmative. Assaulting. In heavy firefight. Yes. We head for battle. More enemies. We are under attack. Their weapons hurt. Their weapons hurt. Yes. Glorious victory awaits. Glorious victory awaits. Unloading cargo. We destroy good. Affirmative. Assaulting. As you command. Yes. Orders received. Acknowledged. Consider it done. Acknowledged. Vaxa. We are under attack. No enemies. Get Yes. Orders confirmed. Dropship at base.
Affirmative.
Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Yes. As you command. Yes. Look, enemies. Glorious victory awaits.
Affirmative.
At once. Here's more of them.
Orders received.
Vector achieved. Entering atmosphere. Package is delivered. More enemies. Dropship ready.
Affirmative.
Enemies approaching. As you command. We're under heavy fire. Look, enemies. We will do. We will do.
Affirmative. Orders received.
Assaulting. Assaulting. No targets. Assaulting. Dropship at base.
Orders received.
Yes. Yes. What's up? Yes. Yes. Not possible. I can't carry out that order. No targets. Without delay. As you command. For honor. Baksa. Their weapons hurt. Their weapons hurt. We destroy good. Yes. More enemies.
Orders received.
Yes, Commander. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Without delay. More enemies. We're under attack. Not possible. Their weapons hurt. We're under attack. combat. Yes. Yes.
Affirmative.
Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Raksa. Ketu. Ketu. Assaulting. Assaulting.
Affirmative.
Yes. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. More enemies. Yes. We're in combat. Yes, he is dead. Yes, Commander. Yes, Commander. At once. At once. Yes, Commander. Assaulting. Without delay. We do. Yes, Commander. Yes, Commander. At once. Reinforcements deployed. Engaging enemy. Yes. Acknowledged. Yes, Commander. Yes, Commander. We will do as you command. Incoming enemies! We are on our way. At once. Dropship at base. Yes. Yes. Yes, Commander. As you command. Yes. As you command. Orders received. Hotline possible. Assaulting. More enemies. Caught in crossfire. In heavy firefight. Caught in crossfire.
crossfire.
Orders confirmed.
In heavy firefight. Yes.
We're under attack.
Enemy out of action. Affirmative.
Yes.
Yes. At once.
Orders confirmed.
As you command.
Without delay.
In heavy firefight. Orders received.
Orders confirmed.
Caught in crossfire.
Enemies approaching. Eto.
Right, sir.
Affirmative.
Yes.
Affirmative.
LZ secure. Without delay.
Affirmative. Yes. As you command.
Orders confirmed.
Orders received. Yes.
Without delay.
As you command. As you command. Yes.
You got it, sir.
There's an APC leaving the command building in a big hurry. I think that Cesaris guy is inside it.
Commander Cesaris, surrender. We'll treat you better than Vlana will if you crawl back to her in defeat.
May the Imperator's wrath take you, Angelus.
I don't want him reporting back to Vlana. We've got to stop him. Hurry up and find Cahonia. And no souvenir hunting.
Yeah, I got it. One hack drum leader coming up.
Huxdoom, Sergeant. Huxdoom.
Good morning, people. Yeah. Ugh. Come on, you little bastard. There you are. Come here. Not gonna be able to hide right there. Oh, yeah. Got him, boss.
Nice fireworks, Sergeant. Get to a landing zone.
And 4.
Yes, Commander. As you command. Yes.
You got it, sir.
Without delay.
Yes.
We're at the LZ. How about a ride out of here?
First part of operation complete. We now can drill Zethan when return to your planet. We'll be able to fight Imperials for many months and die in battle as true Virons. Angeles, Captain. I am Conir, Vicar of Haxtum. Owe you our freedom. For this, we pledge allegiance your cause.
We're glad to have another ally, Kahonir. May you die in battle with the Terrans as your people wish.
You do not wish die fighting Imperials?
No, Vikath. I only want to bring my people to safety.
Kaivi very different from Virons, Angeles, Captain. But still no honor. Final part of journey awaits. Communications are restored. Receiving personal transmission from Morningstar, Angeles, Captain.